Hello friends, katal job ni notification tayai hastine jobs YouTube channel or narajatana lamsago. To friends training katal job ni notification ka Government of India Department of Atomic Energy bobo Atomic Research Center ni bisintina katal job ni notification ka o notification bisinto ero tinta post ni bagai vacancy rakhorka te post number 1 ke stenographer grade 3 group C non gazetted te total vacancy tongnai 6 unreserved 3 OBC 1 HC 1 ST 1 te qualification nangnai 50% mark lagaina matriculation pass khlajangnai tei logio English stenographer minimum speed 80 words per minute tongnai tei English typing speed 30 word per minute tongnai tei age limit ke 18 years ni simi maximum 27 years tei relaxation rok tongo general category roni bagai ke up to 27 years OBC roni bagai ke up to 30 years tei HC ST roni bagai ke up to 32 years jotina relaxation rojaknai tei pay rok tongo 25,500 tei mode of selection ke level 1 objective test lajaknai tei time duration rok tongo 1 hour tei objective test ni bisingo question khlaijaknai general English general knowledge general intelligence and reasoning quantitative aptitude arithmetic o topic ni lagai no objective test ni questions khlaijaknai marking scheme jatongo ro correct answer thaisane ro 3 mark rojaknai tei incorrect answer ni bagai ro 1 mark deducted khlaijaknai tei level 2 drenke stenography skill test khlaijaknai tei minimum qualifying standard jatongo 50% accredited hinke general category 40% accredited hinke OBC HC ST PS category roni qualifying khlaijaknai writing question tabo driver ordinary grade group C non gazetted post ni full details nalenai tei total vacancy tongnai 11 unreserved 4 EWS 1 OBC 2 HC 2 ST 2 tongnai tei qualification ni kero 10 standard pass logio drive light and heavy vehicle ni driving license tongnai tei logio driving ni experience tongnai light vehicle ni hinke at least 3 years tei heavy vehicle ni hinke at least 6 years experience tongnai tei age limit ni kero 18 years ni simi 27 years age relaxation rojaknai up to 27 years rok hinke general category rok OBC rok hinke up to 30 years tei HC ST hinke up to 32 years tei pay jatongo 19,900 rojaknai tei mode of selection hinke level 1 ro hinke objective test lajaknai time duration 1 hour tei questions khlajaknai general English general knowledge arithmetic motor vehicle ACT o topic ni lagai na questions khlajaknai marking scheme same no tongnai tei level 2 hinke driving test khlajaknai tei minimum qualifying standard jatongo ro 50% mark for general category tei 40% mark lagai hinke OBC HC ST rokno qualifying khlaijaknai tei jatongo level 1 written test no qualify khlaimani porayano level 2 driving test ni bagai call khlaijaknai hinui saja fighting question tabo 3 number post nalenai work assistant group C non gazetted tei total vacancy tongnai 72 unreserved hinke 20 EWS 3 OBC 15 HC 15 ST 12 tei PWB roni bagai hinke 7 tei qualification nango 10 standard pass khlajaknai tei age limit hinke 18 years ni simi maximum 27 years tei up to age relaxation rojaknai general category rok hinke up to 27 years OBC up to 30 years HC ST up to 32 years relaxation khlaijaknai tei pay jatongo 18,000 rojaknai tei mode of selection hinke level 1 ro hinke tei preliminary test ni bisingo 50 questions tongnai multiple choice questions time duration hinke 1 hour tei 50 questions ni bisingo mathematics tongnai 20 questions science tongnai 20 questions tei general awareness tongnai 10 questions tei marking scheme bo same no tongnai level 2 ro jatongo advanced test preliminary test no qualify khlaimani porayno advanced test lajaknai tei 50 questions tongnai objective type questions tei time duration jatongo 2 hour 50 questions ni bisingo tongnai mathematics 15 questions science 15 questions general awareness 10 questions basic English 10 questions marking scheme same no tongnai to friends o job ni bagai ro online moti no application chalanai tei online start rongnai 1 July 2022 ni simi tei last date tongnai 31 July 2022 jora tinya tei online khlaina bagai ro website link jatongo o link no ang video ni description ro rinai tei noro o video ni description thani link dre habai na online application form fill up khai di to friends o mongka Department of Atomic Energy bobo Atomic Research Center ni bisinti na katal job ni notification o mo hai katal job ni video ni na bagai haste ni job channel no subscribe khai tei support khai di।